Here, Cleo. Hup, right here. This. Really? Getting warmer. You're getting warmer. Hup, right here, Cleo.
It's like a
Right here. Look. Two Mises pieces. Look, right here, Cleo. Whip. Hup, right here, girl. Fly. I get the impression that all of a sudden our owl, she doesn't give a hoot. Might as well laugh at the jokes. The bird's not going anywhere. Whip. Hup, hup. Right here. Right up here, Cleo. Hup. Right here.
Give the bird a treat.
Look, two Mises pieces. It's not like she said Nance. Anyone else? Cleo. Whip. Right here, girl.
She just
Right
like
up here.
stared down the kid.
All right,
Did
one
you
last
see that?
thing. Let's see. And then what we might do is give her a second and then open the door, try again. Now, we do train with positive reinforcement. That means we also give the bird a food reward every time it does the behavior we desire. But sometimes it takes bigger rewards, like supersizing it. Hey, I'm over here, Cleo. Weep. Look, supersizing it. All that for you. She's not impressed today, Will.